Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami monkey face. So what you want to do first is start with the white side of the paper facing up and fold it in half diagonally and unfold. Then fold the two edges 1 centimeter towards the center. Repeat this on the same unfolded edges. Fold the top point down to make a triangle. Fold both the left and right points towards the center. Flip your paper over and then fold the bottom point up a little towards the center, I might add. Now flip it over again. Now draw the features of the face such as the eyes, nose, and the mouth. And there you have your own origami monkey face. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.